Hi guys, Leetcode here, and so today I'll be discussing the solutions of group anagrams. That is question number 49, and yeah, I have also completed the three questions of blind 75. You can check this out, and also I have also mentioned the list of 75, that is blind 75 resources, and also the GitHub link that contains the answers. You can also check the answers from here, no issue. But in case you need, you can also check the full program link. So Leetcode does not shows you the entire program. You can check that, but I will be, and here also you will not get the entire program, but I'll be adding the complete program, and including the code of public static void main and the entire thing. So you can just check those out in the GitHub link that I've mentioned in the description. So let's start. So the question says is that we have to find anagram that are equals, and we have to merge them into a group and return an list of string. So we have, if you have already done this valid anagram, you know what is anagram, right? Anagram means the if the frequency of every characters of that string is the same as the frequency of every character of the another string. Suppose it's like ate, eat, tea, ate, eat, tea. A appears one time, A appears one time, A appears one time, T appears one time, T appears one time, T appears one time. E also same, E also same, E also same. So you can see the frequency is same, right? The frequency of each and every character is same. Now, okay, the format has changed of the background. Let's change that. Cool. Now the next thing comes is like how we can do this. We have to return something, right? Let's discuss about the edge cases. If the string array, we have given a string array, if the string array is null or the length is 0, we can just simply return a new array list. Length is equals to 0, or strs is equals to null. We can simply return new array list. That's it. Cool. Now what we're doing right now, we'll be using a hash map, right? We can just simply, what we can do, the brute force solution will be taking anagrams of each and every of these using two for loops, and if you find something equivalent, like if eat and ea are equal, we can add it in the global array list, and if not, we can just skip it. First of all, we'll be adding it in the local array list, then that will get added in the global array list later on, but that is too much complex to explain, and that is not possible. So I've already tried that brute force approach when I didn't know the actual solution. So we'll be using hash map, and I'll be explaining two solutions that are almost equal. So what we have to return, we have to return list of list. So at the end I'll be returning new array list of what? New array list of map dot values, right? Map dot values. What will be my values then? If the key is string, if my key is string, what will be my values? My values is list of string, that is list of string. Map is equals new hash map. Great. Now we have a string array. Let's take one string one by one at a time, right? String current strs. Please always use uh, good names during using your, I mean, you I mean use good names for your variables. That describes the entire thing, right? You can just say like map, it means it's a hash map. Current is your current string. It's not like a b c, string a, string b, strings, please don't do that, please. So we have our current the string. Let's sort it. Let's sort the string. If our string is a t e, according to lexicographical order, a comes first, then e comes second, then t. So it will be like a, e, T. Got it? This is my key. What is this? This is my key. What about EAT? A comes first, E comes next, T comes at the end. Can you see? These two keys are same. And can I say, if I put it in the hash map, it will check if the map contains this key or not. If it does not contain, add it. Second time, it will check EAT. I will sort the string. It will be AET. If the map will contain this AET, that is also my key. If the map will contain this key, why don't you add it? I will add it, right? Where I will add it? What is my value? It is list of string, right? It is list of string. So I will add this string to, I will add this string to. But these are actually I will not add these are my keys. These are my keys. If the key is not present, add the key and add an empty array list. Also, when I exit the if case, I will add the original string, that is my current string, and these are my key. Let's see how it will look when I code. So I will be taking charac, that is current dot to character array. This will just simply split your string into character array, that will be a e or ate, whatever it was, right? So this will be it, and this will be a new character array. So here's my character array, and we can just use arrays dot sort method just to sort your character, right? So after sorting, it's a, e, and t. Now we have to convert it into a string. How we will convert it into a string? By using new string method. We can say string key is equals to new string of what? Charac. In the string pool, it will add a new object of string, that is charac, and this is my key. I have renamed it as key, right? Now what I have to do is I will check if my map does not contains, yes, if my map does not contains what? The key. If my map does not contains the key, and this means at the first time it will never have AET. What I will do, I will add this AET as a key, and I will also add an empty array list. What I will do, I'll be adding map.put what? A key following with new array list. Done. Now the second thing I'll be doing is I'll be simply I will access this value. How I will access this value? I will take map.get key. This will give me the value, that is array list of this key corresponding to it, and I will use .add method. This will give me the array list, and I will use .add method to add the original string, that is current. That's it. Let's see how it works. Okay, I guess I did something wrong. Yeah, that there's a mistake. Okay, so I have to use contains key. My bad. Let's run it again. Yeah, it works. Let's check this out. Okay, cool. 13 ms. One thing I don't understand, if I remove this if case check, or if I just comment it out for now, if I submit it, the time runtime will decrease 11 ms. You can see that, right? The second approach I'll be discussing is simple. I've just to remove this character dot arrays dot sort character, instead of that, I'll be using a new character array that will store something, that will store the, the frequency. Frequency is equals to new character of 26. We know there are 26 alphabets in English. Now we know it's like a for A, B, C, D, and something like 0, 1, 2, 2, 2 till 25. And every time we find a character that is equal or not equal, I mean, is present in the array or not, we will increment the counter. Initially it will be 0, 0, 0, 0. It will increase to 1. If A contains more than one time, it will be 2. If more than that, 3, 4, so on and so forth. So we are just making a key that is completely unique using the character frequency, and this character frequency array is constant. It's taking constant time, right? So it will be initially 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. For ate it will be like 1 b c d e, 1 dot 0, 0, 0. At the end for t it will be 1 and 0, 0, 0. This is my key. After converting in a string, it will be like something like this, and I can use it as a key, right? Now once okay, I have to comment this out too. Once I've done this, what I'll be doing is, for every character, uh, you know if I find any similar character or something that is present in the character frequency or not, I will increment that. I'll be using character dot s dot to character, that is current to character array. And what I'll be doing, I'll be incrementing the frequency of what, c minus a, that will give me the index. Now we have here what I'll be doing. I mean, here I'll add frequency. Let's check. It works. Cool. 6 ms, better than the last one. Now let's discuss the complexities. So initially I was using arrays.sort inside a for loop. Okay, so it was taking the first approach. One for loop and arrays.sort. Arrays.sort takes O of n log n and space complexity of O of n, and this takes O of n. So the total was O of n into n log n, right? This was the total time complexity, and the space complexity of was O of n. The second approach, took one for loop for the entire string, the string length, that is strs. It will take O of n, and the second for loop took O of m. This is O of m. Let me tell you what is O of m. Okay, so first discuss the space complexity. The space complexity is O of 1 because the array we are using is O of 26, and that is a constant number. It's not changing, right? So this is current, and the size of all the strings are 3 3 3 3 3, right? In case if I have an array like a b b b c c, what is the maximum of these? B. The size is 3, the length is 3, this is 1, this is 2, this is the maximum. So the maximum will be my m. The maximum length of all the strings will be my m. So it will be O of n into m, where m is the maximum length of all the strings and n is the length of the string array, and the space complexity is O of 1. These are the two time complexities, the you know this time and space complexities. You can check this out. And yeah, that's it for today, and you can just check the difference if I just remove the comments. The It will increase to 49, and I don't know why it's increasing. It's better to remove it, I guess. But in the worst case, you have to check these, right? In case you are doing it in an interview, you will not be having these test cases. Just to be in the safe side, you can use this. That's it. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, peace. Bye bye. Take care.